sucks, this view. You ready, Deshaun?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Whoa. Damn. I went over a little bit.
You don't need to push, huh?
I turned a little too much. Did you see that?
I don't know, but
like
camera did.
I landed like this on the ground.
Whenever you're ready, Deshaun. Sounds like a black person named Deshaun.
Huh? Yeah! It's personal now. I'm gonna 180 it first. Waited too long. Hesitated. Dude, what is up?
This gap's hard. It looks easy, but it's hard.
I like it though. I like it though.
I'm gonna put a wrist guard on, by the way. I did.
Bullshit.
There you go.
There we go, Dolan. I got my hand down though. I got this. Did you see me push my hand down though?
Huh?
Did you see me put my hand down?
You hit the curve.
You getting that, Billy?
Yeah, but you hit the curve.
What?
Yeah, but your foot hit the curve. Foot hit the
You're
curve.
wasting film. Hey, the curve at the
Go, you guys just going one after the other.
The curve at the bottom?
No, at the top.
Oh, did I?
Yeah. Just like to land it. You hear it?
No one notices that, you fucking queer.
Man, shut your nut, Georgetown boy.
You gotta say that on camera.
What?
This is so fucking rude. No one would have noticed that. You hadn't opened your fucking big mouth.
Who cares if you have music over it? You can hear it go doop doop. The camera will pick up sounds too. But I did, so that means the camera did. You guys going?
It's kind of hard to judge. Judge it. That was a nice touch, though, Sean. Did I hit it that time?
I don't think so.
Huh?
I don't think so.
But I mean, it was a fucked up landing.
Yeah.
Probably just keep that other one.